From last few years, after especially the technology has taken a new dimension, the customer's expectations have also changed from a basic functions to much more advanced function, and the expectations have grown, and they want track and trace right from first mile, mid mile, last mile. They want real-time updates. Earlier, if experience was something which used to be counted, which has completely been replaced by technology today. So right from track and trace, the visibility of the order to the other advantages which he may have in terms of his preferences or what he has bought last, what he has left, all these things are changing and helping. We are using Far-Eye technology extensively for our last mile deliveries. Next few months are going to be much more engaging, much more capsulating for both of us.